again, just step by step through this example. We go in order. These just are adding through here, so I add from left to right. Now, what might make this easier for some of you is if you take this and that plus a negative 110, I could write that as 135 just minus 110. That might make it easier for some of you. Feel free to do that. And so then I take 135 minus 110. That's 25 plus 83. Add those together and I get 108. The other thing here is if you need to line some things up vertically, like 135 minus 110, and do that subtraction, that's fine. Same thing with the addition. If you need to put those vertically so you can add them, go ahead. That is a perfectly acceptable way to go about this. Do what you need to do to make this work well for you. Part B, I start with these two. I just go ahead and subtract or add them. Negative 38 plus 27 is negative 11. The negative 38 is further away, so this is a negative 11. I'm going to go with minus 8 plus 12. Negative 11 minus 8 is negative 19. And then negative 19 plus 12 is negative 7. On C, this minus and negative, I can cross those out and those become a plus. So this is really negative 6 plus 4. And that gives me negative 2. 4 minus 6 is 2, or negative 6 plus 4. 8 minus 3 is 5 minus 7, and 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Now this one, that becomes a plus again. So this is negative 105 plus 68. Now what I do a lot of times with this is I take that 105 and I subtract from it the 68. So this is just like what we've done before. I have to borrow here and do that, so that's going to be 737. Now, since the 105 is bigger than the 68, I use the sign of the 105. That becomes a negative 37 for my answer. And for this last one, go through, do the parentheses first, those grouping symbols. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. These become a plus, so 10 plus 9 is 19. And 25 minus 19, I do that and I get 6. Be careful with the negatives. It's really easy to make mistakes. Remember this, what I did right here. That can be very helpful in how we want to go about subtracting them and simplifying them.